there are still some things that we need to query further, the ROR, the NMS, and if there is any residual matter that requires the confirmation by the governor. Members, any remarks in closing, or we donate our time to the governor, to the senator for Nairobi?
Just a quick one.
Okay.
Just a request, Chair. Just a quick one.
Yes,
as much as we appreciate what Governor Sakaja is doing, please, Mombasa is not in very good shape. Mombasa Road is not in very good shape. Do something about Mombasa. That is the face of this country.
That is
the Ministry of Roads and Transport.
I'd like to send Cherarkei to deal with that.
CS Murkomen should be the one doing that.
Thank you.
But he's busy in Finrolls and Arambe, so unfortunately, it's not the purview of the governor.
Senator Onyonka.
Thank you. My chair, I want to say just two things. Governor Sakaja, I want to say thank you for coming for this meeting, because it's been a meeting we wanted to hold. I've only one very important request to make to you. You're amongst the young leaders who've been given an opportunity. The expectation is very high on you. I really wish that you do your best. I know you mean well, because